Hi all, welcome back once again to SAP Solution by USD channel. Today topic is to how the automatic field that will be fetching in material master through material type. You observe when you are creating any of the material codes, you observe some of the field that will be auto populated that is coming through material type, and how that will be auto populated and what are the options that we have it in the material type. All the things we can able to demonstrate today. If you still not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get the new videos. Let's get started today. For this I will justly directly I will go to the material type configuration. For that the T code is OMS2, and if you go to the OMS2 I will directly taken as a FERT. FERT is nothing but one of the material type for the finished goods. If you double click on it, you can see the multiple fields that you can able to see. These fields is the enabling for the material code creation that will be auto populated. What are the fields we can able to use while creating the material code that will be auto populated from this material type? Okay, I will go to the material creation screen. Material creation is like a MM01 is a material code for the creation of the new material type, new material codes. I will take as a material type as a FERT. Okay. So what I will do, so here you can see the cross plant material. This is one of the field is available, right? So as of now, what I will do, I will take as a 3 and I will save it. Okay, so for this, if you want to create the new transport also, we can able to create clicking on this like a creation of the new transport, and you can give the any of the naming convention, then click on OK. There is a new TR that will be created, that's fine for us, then click on OK. So if I take same material type and click on the creation of the material codes, I will click on enter and I will give my plant code and click OK. You can see, go once again. Then I will click here, then I will click on material plant code. Okay, now you can see the cross plant material that will be auto populated as a 03, that will taken from where, that will taken from the material type. And second option is like a item category group. You can see that will be norms we have assigned in the material type, right? So this one we can able to see in the sales organization tool like a weave. If you go here, you can see the item category group is taken as a norms. In the third one, like a with quantity structure, that will I just made it as an enable for the FERT material type. These fields we can able to see in the costing one. So costing one, if you go to the costing one view, here you can see okay, system is saying some default entries, I will fill it. Okay, then if I go to the costing one view, you can see the with the quantity structure is already enabled because that will be fetching the details from the material type. As well as you can see, if you come to the below in the material type, we have the price control indicator as well. I mention as a standard is a S is nothing but a standard, V is nothing but a moving average. So when I selected as a yes, when I creating the material code with reference to the FERT material type, system is automatically fetching in the accounting V1 the pricing control is nothing but a standard. So for that, if I go to the material code, if I go to the accounting V1, if you come to the below, you can see the pricing control is taken as a standard. For example, if I make it as a moving average price, okay, then what I need to do, I need to click on save If I save it, so if you come to the below, you can see the moving average, right? Then I want to create the new material. I will go to the new screen. If I go to the new screen and I click on OK, then I will mention as my plant code, and quickly I will go to the mandatory fields. Okay, fine. Then I will go to the accounting V1. You can able to see the pricing control indicator that will be changed to V. You can see that will change to V, right? Because that will fetching from the material type. And one of the option we have available, like for the particular material type for the FERT, we are using for which purpose? For the procurement, for the external procurement purpose, or procuring of the internal procurement purpose. And the internal procurement is nothing but suppose if you have a production plant, you are creating like a process order, then it will convert into the production order. Then it is like a internal manufacturing. That's the reason that we consider as a internal procurement. External procurement is nothing but those products like in the FERT material code related. You want to do the external procurement like with the external supplier. At that time we consider as a external purchase order. Now in that case I make it as like a two is like a I want to make it as a external procurement as well and internal procurement as well. In that case what will happen if you go to the purchasing, if you go to the MRP2 view, MRP2 view, system is saying some default entries. Okay. If you go to the MRP2 view, you can see system is automatically taken as a X. X is nothing but the both type of procurement we can able to do, like internal procurement as well and the external procurement as well. For that reason I just maintain one structure here. So here like you can see this is the external procurement structure, this is the internal procurement structure. If you mention the external procurement as the external procurement, how the system procurement type that will be taken in the material code. As of now I taken with the last one, external procurement as a 2, internal procurement as a 2. That's the reason system is saying like X is the indicator in the procurement type. That means we can able to use for the internal procurement as well and external procurement as well. And what are the options we have available, I mentioned in the below details as well. So in that way the procurement type that will be taken from the material type configuration. That's it for today. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel and I will bring more interesting video for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. Good.